Hey, what's up everybody, I'm KB Kwan. Today I'm going to make something simple under the series of simple delicious eats. And today I have some camembert cheese, asparagus, bacon, and some bell peppers, and of course some eggs. So I think you're pretty sure that I'm going to make an omelette, and it's going to be something that is quite filling for breakfast or for brunch. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, these are the ingredients we need for this simple recipe. And since it is an omelette, of course we have some eggs and also we need some olive oil. If you don't use olive oil, you can always use butter instead. It's really up to you. And we have some milk. You can use low-fat milk as I'm using, or full cream milk. It also depends on you. Some salt, some pepper to season it, and some soft cheese like camembert. You can use brie, you can use any cheese that you like, in fact cheddar cheese or even parmesan if you like. And over here I have some asparagus and also some multicolor bell pepper. And I have some bacon over here. You can use ham, or if you don't, you can also substitute it with something that is healthier, for example smoked salmon. And by doing so, you want it to be healthier, you don't use butter, use olive oil, and then it's going to be something that is really healthy. Now let's cut the bacon into small pieces. The asparagus into short sections. The cheese into small pieces. Crack the eggs. And then beat the eggs until the egg white and the egg yolks comes together without any noticeable strings of egg white. Okay, season it with some salt and black pepper. Plus a tablespoon of milk. Add some oil to the pan to fry the bacon. Fry the bacon until it starts to turn aromatic. Halfway down the road, you can add the asparagus to saute together until crisp tender. Or alternatively, you can bring a pot of water to a boil, add some salt, and blanch the asparagus for a minute or two. If you intend to make it healthier by not adding the ham or bacon and only use the asparagus, you can opt not to saute it and just blanch it, and it's going to be healthier. Lastly, add the bell pepper. Have a quick stir, just a few seconds, and then remove it from the pan. Let's add the cheese and all other ingredients back to the egg. Heat a non-stick pan with a little bit of oil, and then pour the egg mixture into the pan. And then move the egg liquid slowly so that the raw egg will flow to the bottom. Then transfer it to a serving plate. So this is the version of the omelette with asparagus, cheese and bacon. And you notice that I purposely make it slightly brownish, and this is very Asian influence, as in Asia we usually cook the egg really cooked, especially the Thai style, sometimes even crispy at the side. So let me know whether you like this kind of fried eggs. That's how to make my omelette with asparagus, cheese and bacon, and let me know what you think about it. And as usual, I will include the recipe in the description below the video and also add the recipe at the end of this video. Please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.